Deals, we have a Volvo PF6170 asphalt grader. Gonna give you a quick walk around video, show everything that does work. Currently it's throwing a code for it to move. I'm not sure what that code is for. Obviously it was moved in this location just recently, but now it will not move. It's either a sensor or something of that issue, most likely. Give you a quick walk around, let you see this unit. Tires are not in terrible shape. Got some tread left on them. PF6170 on the serial number. There's the code it was throwing. 3,912 hours on the unit. 143 feet per minute on a speed limit. You can change that obviously. Let's go to stored codes here. Let you see what any codes are in it. Requesting fault codes on the engine. Engine oil pressure low is the next code. CAN bus message. Timeout error. Timeout ECU not responding. Okay. Go ahead and show the throttle up on this unit. Cummins engine on it. Now we'll go ahead and show some of this equipment working. The auger is going up and down. Go ahead and feed the hopper. Does have propel light on. Obviously it won't move because of that reason. The left hand down to the right hand. Feeders are working okay. I've gone through and checked all these, and they do seem to be working just fine. The only thing I cannot seem to make work is the movement of the machine. You push it forward, take the brake off. You push it forward, it does not want to move. Push it back, it does not want to move. 175 on the temp, on the engine temp, full of fuel. Obviously we can't turn it, but tire should be turning. This control log is working as well. This unit's located in Burleson, Texas. If you're interested in this unit, please give us a call at 972-666-9501. Again, this is on the Volvo PF6170. Seems to be everything works, besides it will not move currently. So if you're interested in this unit, please give us a call, 972-666-9501.